guys, so I am working on my nighttime routine, and this is a blowout that I did not too long ago. I'd say about a week ago. I'm not really going to go through the full routine with y'all in detail tonight. I'm just going to show you what I do to obtain this style real quick. These are just basic 2-strand twists, as you can see. Basic 2-strand twist. And I just take them and I wrap it kind of taut, not too tight, but just taut enough so that I can get as much of my root as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna do this all over my head for tonight. When it's all done, I have it in what we call on the step team windows. Basically, everybody on stage can be seen. See how you can see every knot from front and back? I've trained my hair basically, like I don't even need a mirror. I just part it. That's why I don't comb it, or I don't have like defined parts. Everything's just kind of, like doing what it wants to do. Key to getting volume is to like stagger the hair. You'll see tomorrow when I show y'all the finished product, because baby, it's about to be bomb. I'm always excited when it's got its length and its body and its little weight to it. Oh, by the way, I'm a type 4C hair. I'll go into detail about that whole chart and texture and coils and yada yada bing bang. 4C hair. Her name is Sheila. Say hi, Sheila. And yeah, that's it. We'll be back tomorrow. Sheila is about to get the did, honey. So first, let's get Sheila down and breathing. Steady, are you ready? Ooh, I'm excited. Like I said, the reason I do the windows is so that it can have this volume. Like if I had them all lined up, you would be able to see the parts much easier. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You see how much volume there is? Versus if I had them all in a straight line. Like this hair is going to add volume to this section now. But if it was directly behind this one I just took out of here, it would all be like a straight line. I hope that makes sense. Sheila, girl, you looking healthy. I do need to trim my ends though, because I have thick, coarse hair. It's easier to manage if I just leave it in the twists and shampoo it, take them apart, detangle it, twist it back up. When I wash it, detangle it, twist it back up. And I bantu knot it when I'm done. It not only stretches it, but it also helps with the detangling and just managing process. Cause baby, folks see hair ain't nothing to play with. After I take them out, I don't put a comb to it. I like it to look natural. I like it to be just, fall where it will, because, the wind's gonna blow. I'm gonna like shake my head. Things are gonna happen, and, she's just gonna fall into place naturally. So I let her do what it do, but I do train her to have like a small part on either side. Just because I don't want it all in my face. And I don't want to put her up. She likes being free and I like her to be free. But this is Sheila, guys. See, I just ran my fingers through her. Hey. Oh, Sheila, let me love you till the morning comes.